The Allahabad National Museum has been organized an exhibition on toys in terracotta art titled Playing with the Toys in its A.K. Kumar Swamy Memorial Exhibition Hall. Playing with the toys has been there since time immemorial, as has been evident from the archaeological findings from the excavations across the world, and India is not an exception to that. Very intelligently, the ancient Indian parents engaged their children with the toys while being busy with their domestic works or agriculture or household responsibilities. They especially thought about the upbringing of a child in a busy world. Therefore, they discovered the utility of toys, which will not only engage their children but also, while growing them up, will allow them learning about the world around us. Toys and games have been unearthed from the sites of ancient civilizations. They have been written about in some of the oldest literature. Toys excavated from the Indus Valley civilization include small carts, whistle-shaped like birds, and toy monkeys which could slide down a string. The earliest toys are made from materials found in nature, such as rocks, sticks, and clay. Clay is the easiest material for making shapes. It can be easily molded into desired shape. A large number of terracotta objects have been brought to light from archaeological explorations and excavations from the various sites of northern India. The Ganga and Yamuna Valley play a vital role in the origin and development of cultures. This is a toy cart from Ahishatra of Bareilly district of Shunga period. Its front part is depicting 4 horses. The horses are decorated by dots. Flowers are made on the top of the plaque. This is a bust of male of Kaushambi from Shunga period, and it is detached from a toy cart. Hands are shown folded in front. This is a seated figure of Yaksha from Kaushambi of 1st century BC. He is holding a hammer in his right hand and clerical object in the left hand. This human figure used in a toy cart. His belly is made in the form of pot. He is wearing a round cap. 2 holes are seen on the chest of the figure. This is again a terracotta bird used in a toy cart from Kaushambi of Shunga period. This is the head of a bird with a long tenon at the neck. The bird has prominent beak. This is a clay toy representing human figure over a wheelbarrow tugged by 2 animals.
How toys are very important in building their character, because they interact with the nature, they interact with their family, they understand their responsibilities, and that's why we have to put up a small writer on and this we have understood, as we have understood about these toys. In every excavation we conduct, we encounter first with basic things are the toys. I mean, how the parents are concerned about their children. Now the children are playing with the computer gadgets and they are also engaged in it. But this is more a healthier way.
Becomes even more important in today's time.
And they also learn the skill of making all these things. I will show you a demo.